Guys, welcome back, and today we are looking at the AJT design center console inserts. Okay, this is the insert for right here and right here on my 2025 Sequoia. AJT makes these for the Tundra also, that has the different center console compartment right here. Okay, but yeah, these are sold on Amazon and they're extremely expensive, so that's my motivation behind making a YouTube video on this. If anybody else sees them, wants them, there's going to be this video out, because $40 is a lot of money for some rubber inserts. I went and bit the bullet and bought them because my wife made the complaint that she sticks her phone right here and she sticks all her stuff, like her keys and everything right here, and when she's driving it just slides around, makes a bunch of noise. She didn't like it. She asked me for something, and when I looked, this was the only thing. And looking on the Amazon website, and these popped up, good reviews, just real expensive. They made me believe that it came in a really nice box, and it actually showed up like this in a bag. Okay, I got it in one day, and it came in this bag. So we're gonna go ahead and install these and see how they do. One thing I was worried about mostly with this is if they're gonna stay when you open the console and flip it. Is everything gonna fly back and end up in the back seat or not? So let me get this out of here. So here is the one we really want, the one we really need, and that's already got something on it. Seems pretty sticky. It is way overpriced for a piece of rubber. I'm assuming that we just stick it in here and it kind of press fits in. All right, it's in there like that. Let's go with the opening. Still on there. Okay, cool. Not going anywhere. This one here is where it gets different between the Sequoia and the Tundra. Okay, so I think the Tundra, they don't have this little door, so this piece is actually a square, so you have to make sure you get the right one. Oh, it comes in 2 bags. It's fancy. All right, so we're gonna get that. You can see how it's cut out like that. Goes in here like this. This is gonna be nice because it is gonna keep everything in place. You can tell it's real sticky. And things like, my wife puts in here, there's all these little hair things, and they're not gonna go moving around anywhere. Scary stuff, but all right. So the fitment's pretty good, and nothing's gonna rattle around in there anymore, move around, because everything would slide. Pretty cool, I guess. If you're looking for something like that, I'll have the link down in the description box. This is the real quick video on, and pretty much the first accessory I'm getting for this truck. This truck's brand new to me. It comes with a sticker that I'm not gonna put on anything ever. Instructions. Maybe I want to watch that, but I don't know what else you'd want to do. But yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you could. If you have a question, hit me up down below. And check out, I got a few other Toyota Tundra and Sequoia videos. Check those out on the channel. Hope to see you guys in another video.